Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a trunk club. I am so pleased that you have joined me today to see what I have received in this trunk. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to welcome you. Hello, I'm so glad that you are here, and I really hope that you will subscribe. Hit that subscribe and join me for another video. My videos are all about women's clothing. I'd like to start this video out with a short little update about Mia. Mia is my puppy and she is ill. And I did upload a video and share that with all of my viewers, and I asked for prayer. And I want to tell you, once that video was published, just within minutes, truthfully, within about 10 minutes, I got a call from the veterinarian saying that Mia's condition was improving. So we are still not stabilized. We are working on getting her stabilized. She is out of the hospital. Okay, we're gonna move on to the clothing. I just wanted to extend a heartfelt thank you to everyone that lifted Mia and the Shaffner family. We cannot thank you enough. I am hoping she will make a cameo appearance in this video. She is resting right now, and I really don't want to bother her, but I will keep you updated. Moving on to my trunk. I received this trunk a couple days ago, and I started to film it. It did take me a little while to get this filmed. I'm going to get this up today because I have 3 more days. You get 5 days with Trunk Club to try everything on, decide what you want to keep, check out, and send it back. Anything that I don't want to keep, I will just pack up in the trunk, drop it off at a UPS store, and postage is free with Trunk Club. If you hold a Nordstrom's credit card, you can get styled with Trunk Club for nothing, absolutely free. And if you don't have the card, there is a $25 styling fee. That styling fee comes off anything that you choose to purchase. So with Trunk Club, you will fill out a style profile and be paired with a stylist. If you would like to get paired up with my stylist, I will leave a link in the description box below, as well as all the information you need about Trunk Club and my referral link. If you would like to use my referral link, Trunk Club does hook me up with a little bit of credit. I do have some credit on this trunk. Thank you to everyone that uses my link. You guys really support and sponsor the Kelly Shaffner channel and make these videos so much easier for me to do. So thank you very much. This trunk has 12 items. There's a lot to share today. I did put in a request with my stylist. I asked for crop denims, I asked for summer tops, and I asked for some sandals that had a bit of a heel on them. So let's see what she said. Okay, the first pair of denims, these are a crop denim and a wide leg denim. These are by the brand Girlfriend. And what I like about these is the very, very worn look. What I don't like about these is the price tag. These are $248. I have tried this label before and it doesn't work for me. My stylist didn't know that, but yeah, these run very, very slim through the hip area, so I couldn't get these on. And they were really, really pulling through the hip area. So yeah, I decided not to share the try on with you, and you're welcome for that. But I do like the very worn look. There is some distressing on these. These are 75% cotton. They are 25% rayon, and they do have that wide leg that I was looking for and the frayed hem. This is the back. They are a 5-pocket styling. I think this is a nice denim. It's a denim I haven't been able to wear. Some denims are just cut for slimmer women, and I am a curvy woman, so I need curvy styles. Yeah, I dodged a bullet with these. I didn't fall in love with a pair of $248 jeans. Next up are DL 1961. These are the Mara ankle straight leg, and this is what they look like. Can you see how small the waistband looks? My waistband is expanding, but the waist on these were incredibly tight. This is my true size, a size 29, and these just were uncomfortably tight in the waistband, and I don't know, maybe everywhere else, but this is a 4-pocket styling, but you can see there's that coin pocket that isn't there, the shadow coin pocket. This is what the hemline looks on these. So yeah, I like that there's a slit there, and I like that it's unusual, but these are $189, and the fit was not perfect on them, and it was the waistband. I'm not going to blame the label. I will take responsibility that these are too tight, and yeah, I need to eat a salad. Next up, we have Madewell, and Madewell is a brand that really works well for me. I think that this is a brand that works well for curvy women. They style all body shapes with Madewell, and they do such a good job with curvy girls. So I do like my Madewell. These are the Emmett crop wide leg pants, and look how wide these are. This is a lighter wash denim, which I appreciate, and we have the one pocket here and two pockets in the back. These are super high rise, super wide legs. So these feel very vintage or retro to me. I like the way they feel. The thing that I don't like about these is they started stretching out immediately and got baggy in the knees. You know what I mean? You sit down, you cross your legs, you stand up, and your denim look like you're still sitting. Yeah, knee tense. That's what these did. These are $110. And I like the look of them. I like these an awful lot. I don't like the way that they wear though. So for $110, I mean, if these were $55, half the price, I don't think that this is the perfect wide leg denim for me. So that's all the denim options my stylist sent this time. And unfortunately, I think they are all misses. But not to worry, there's some great summer tops in this trunk. The first tee, this is a luxury feeling tee. This is by the brand Bobeau. This is in a light gray color. This is a polyester rayon blend, and the downside to this tee is it is a hand wash polyester rayon. I guess that might shrink, and that's unfortunate because this feels really nice. I'll show you the tee. It is a front tie tee. It is a crew neck, short sleeve. It looks like a bit of a burnout fabric. I like this tee. This is the least expensive thing in my trunk, coming in at $38. I don't know if this one is special enough to keep. I mean, the price is right. It feels really, really amazing. I don't like the hand wash thing, not for a tee. For something special, I am willing to hand wash, but I don't know if I want to hand wash a t-shirt. Something in red. You know I love that. This is J. Crew, and I equally love the J. Crew brand. This is just a red crew neck short sleeve t-shirt. No, it's not just that. It does have a special sleeve to kind of jazz up your denim, but in a simple way. I really like that. It's a crew neck. It is a little bit short, but it works fine with a high-rise denim, or I could wear this with a skirt. This is 100% cotton. It is a machine wash, but this cotton is incredibly soft, and it's not a modal cotton or I don't know what it is. It feels really amazing, and I appreciate that for my t-shirts. I want to put my t-shirt on for its first wear and have it be incredibly soft. $49.50 for this J. Crew tee. That's a normal price, but since it arrived at my house, it has gone on sale for $29.70. So yeah, I think I need another red tee, but it's not just any red tee. We've got the cool sleeves with it. So yeah, for $29, this is actually the cheapest thing in the trunk. And of course, it's a keeper. Uh-oh, I was wrong. Okay, this is a sleeveless top by BP, and this is only $35. Okay, I can't keep it straight with the prices, but yeah, this is a $35 top by BP. This is a button-up top. These are faux pockets on the front of it. This is a polyester top, and it does have the notched collar there. I like a button up, and this is a really nice fabric. This is 100% polyester, but it doesn't have a polyester feel. Let me see if you can see. There's actually texture. This feels like a textured fabric. It feels very, very nice on my skin. It does have a rounded hemline with a little slit in it. I think this one is a little bit short on me. If it was 2 inches longer, I would not hesitate to purchase this. What do you think about the length on this one? The price is right at $35. It feels amazing. This will look great with white denim, don't you think? I like this one. I'm just concerned about the length on it because I really think that this top is meant to be worn out. I just think it's too short to tuck it in. I don't know. Thoughts on this one? The next top is a beautiful green color. This top is by 1901, and this is a scallop sleeve tank or shell. And I'm drawn to it because I love this vivid color. It does have the crew neck. It also has a hidden zipper closure in the back. I think it's a good length. It is short, but I do think it's a nice length. This blouse is lined, which I really appreciate. No cami under this one. It does have slits on the side. Can you see those there? I want this because of the color. I think this is a year-round blouse. It can be worn right now with nothing, all by itself through the spring and summer, but year-round it could be worn as a shell, underneath a blazer, underneath a jacket. I think this is a perfect blouse for me. $49.50. This top is a cotton polyester blend, and it is like a stretch woven fabric. I like the way this one feels. I also like the way this one looks, very crisp and clean, and I like that scallop detail. This one's a winner in my book. Check it out. Check this one out. This top is by ALC, and this is the Malaya rib tank with the ruffle on it. This one is $295, and look at the beautiful color. It is called Lemon, and I love the flouncy ruffle on it. I also really appreciate that you get that, one shoulder look, but this is completely bra friendly. So that is why I allowed my stylist to send me a top that is almost $300, because I was intrigued by it. I love the color on this. This is in a size medium. I think it's too short for me, and it's a fitted blouse. It's meant to be fitted, but I think I need to size up in this if I was to keep. I love this blouse. This is exactly my style. I don't think I have a good fit on it. It feels like it's too tight and too short, and I think I would need a size large in this top if I decided to drop $295 on one top. And yeah, this is not a top that you can wear very often. This is tough because I like this one an awful lot, but I don't like the price tag on it. I did ask my stylist to send sandals, and I did request a bit of a heel on the sandals. Are you like me? I like my sandals to have a little bit of lift. I like all my shoes to have a little bit of lift, but she sent 4 pairs. This is the first pair. Here they are. This is Michael Kors. Okay, this is the Alexia platform sandal, and that is a 4-inch cork wrapped heel. That is a tall heel. This is in the color navy, which I like. I don't have any navy sandals. This is a platform that is also cork wrapped, and there is a teeny bit of cushion on the footbed, not much. These were not real comfortable to walk in. That's what the bottom of the shoe looks like. There is a buckle closure there, that gold buckle, and these are $135. I will not use these enough to warrant $135. I don't know if I would ever wear these. It's because they're just not comfortable to walk in. Of all the shoes that she sent, I could probably use navy shoes the most, but these were the least comfortable shoe to walk in. Next up are the halogen shoes. Here are the halogen sandals. These are the cheapest shoes in the entire trunk, coming in at $99 and $95. These are called the strappy block-heeled sandal. Okay, with this shoe, my stylist wanted to send it to me in black. I changed the color to this blush color. You can do that with Trunk Club. You can decline things or change colors, but this is what the shoe looks like. It's a very, very strappy sandal, which normally doesn't work very well on me, especially if there's ankle straps. This is a 3-inch leather, suede leather shoe. It does have a little bit of padding on it. It does have the zip closure in the back, so I found these terribly difficult to get into. I did not like the straps around my ankles. My ankles swell, so I have difficulty with that. These were way too difficult to get my foot into. I wasn't that crazy about the way they looked on, and I think if I had any swelling any more than I did during the try-on, these would be terribly uncomfortable. So although they are really cute off my foot, these are not going to work for me. All right, we have some Jeffrey Campbell, and check out that heel. Aren't these amazing? These are the Purdy Statement Heel Sandal by Jeffrey Campbell, and that is a stacked heel. You can see it's kind of rounded, or it's got a funky shape on it, which I like. This is a bright red suede leather. Again, though, we have the ankle strap. I don't know if I've ever told my stylist about my chubby ankles. And there is a buckle there and just one strap, which I think is very pretty. I love red, and my stylist is very good about including red shoes, red items in my trunk, and these are $139. I really like these an awful lot. I want to keep them. I don't know how comfortable they're going to be to wear. They were fine to wear around the house in the try-on. I don't know. What are your thoughts on these fabulous shoes? What do you think about that heel? Do you like that? Last item in my trunk and the last pair of shoes are these platform strappy sandals. These are by Paul Green. Okay, let's talk about these Paul Green Riviera strappy sandals with a bit of a platform. That platform is all rubber. Incredibly comfortable. I mean, this is luxury transportation for your feet. The heel is about a 3-inch stack block heel, and this leather, this is a suede leather. It is so incredibly comfortable. I do appreciate that the straps are a little bit wider, but everything about this shoe is comfortable. That's one of the things I like about it. You can see it also has that little bit of elastic there. So yeah, if your feet do swell, the shoes will move with you. And we do have that beautiful buckle hardware on the side. This shoe is cushioned from top to bottom. There is arch support built into the shoe. I can't believe how comfortable these are. And I appreciate that they are a 3-inch heel that I think I could wear shopping at the mall all day long, or even the outlet malls. That's how comfortable this shoe is. Now, this is a salon shoe. This is made in Austria, and it is $329. You know, normally I wouldn't even consider a simple sandal like this for $329. But you probably noticed in the try-on, I wore this shoe more than any other shoe. It was that great. I am really considering keeping a pair of $329 sandals. And yeah, they're pretty neutral at that. But part of it is because I do have credit thanks to you. Thank you so much. You guys may have just gifted me with a pair of luxury sandals that I think I will wear all summer long. And yeah, I'm going to need that red tee and the green scallop tee as well. What do you guys think? This trunk was fabulous. I consider my boxes to be a success if I am able to keep one item, and I know I can probably keep 3 or 4 out of this trunk. I will wait. I have a few days before I have to send this back. I'd like to hear what you think about the items in the trunk. Do you like the shoes for $329? What about the tops? Let me know which ones were your favorite. Thank you all so much for stopping by for a very long Trunk Club video. There's always a lot to share with Trunk Club. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Make sure you're subscribed. Subscribe and join me for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Blessings to you.